In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Autoptimize with Tutorlms on your WordPress site. Whether you're a seasoned user or new to WordPress, knowing how to optimize your site's performance can make a significant difference in its speed and efficiency. So let's dive right in and take you through the process step by step. First, you'll want to navigate to your WordPress dashboard. Once there, find and click on the Plugins option in the left-hand menu. From the drop-down, select Add New. This is where you can search for new plugins to enhance your website's functionality. In the search bar, type in Autoptimize and hit Enter. You should see Autoptimize appear in the list of results. Go ahead and click the Install Now button next to it. Once the installation is complete, the button will change to Activate. Click Activate to enable the plugin on your site. This activation process ensures that Autoptimize can now start working its magic by optimizing your site's code. Next, it's time to configure Autoptimize's settings to suit your needs. Head over to the Settings section of your dashboard and then click on Autoptimize. Here, you'll find a tab labeled JS, CSS, and HTML. This is where we'll be focusing our efforts to fine-tune the performance of your site. To start, enable the Optimize JavaScript Code option. This setting works to streamline and minify the JavaScript on your site, helping your pages load faster. Following that, enable the Optimize CSS code and Optimize HTML code. By activating these, you're ensuring that not only JavaScript, but also the CSS and HTML codes are condensed and optimized for quicker loading times. Next, you'll want to enable Aggregate JS files and Aggregate CSS files. This is particularly useful for combining multiple files into a single one, reducing the number of HTTP requests needed to load your site. This can significantly speed up page delivery. In addition to aggregating, enable also Aggregate Inline JS and also Aggregate Inline CSS. By doing so, you're optimizing even the inline scripts and styles, making your web page more efficient. Also, don't forget to enable Inline and Defer CSS. This option allows critical CSS to load immediately while additional CSS is deferred, ensuring the page renders quickly. Similarly, enable Inline JS and Defer JS so the essential JavaScript is prioritized. Finally, activate Lazy Load Images, which ensures that images only load as they come into view, saving bandwidth and improving load times. Also, enable the removal of the WordPress version from your HTML source code and the removal of query strings from static resources. These small tweaks can offer an added layer of privacy and further optimization. And there you have it, a fully optimized WordPress site using Autoptimize with Tutorlms, ready to deliver a faster, more efficient experience for your users. Thank you for watching, and happy optimizing.